Hi everyone, in front of me I've got VIVO V50e and let me share with you how to change the video resolution on this device. So let's begin with opening the camera app. Currently we are in the standard photo mode, so let's switch to the video one. Just tap on the video. If you can see the red color inside the shutter button, it means that you're on the video mode. What is more, this panel is different. We've got less options to choose from, and the second option from the right is connected with the timer. So let's tap on it. Sorry, not the timer, the resolution. So after tapping on it, here we've got the resolution options opened, and in this device we've got three of them. So 1080p, which is currently applied, 4K and 720p. So all you have to do is to basically tap on the option you'd like to use. I'll choose 4K, and as you can see, it is immediately notified by highlighting this option. What is more, in this panel it is visible that we've got 4K set, which means that from now on your device will use the chosen resolution whilst recording a video. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.